Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the
Hi.
class. Okay. Great. Who's left? Anya, not yet, and Arya also not yet. So yeah. Let's just wait 1 more minute for them. Okay. Just 1 more minute for them. Okay. Eva is also here. Okay. By the way, if you're curious what happened in my room right now, my lamp doesn't work. So the lamp in my room doesn't work. So I only rely on this lamp. So if I don't have this lamp, so this is what you're gonna see. Yeah. Okay. And I think I forgot to charge it, so maybe in 10 minutes again, the lamp is gonna turn darker, and then you're not gonna see my face anymore. Okay, I hope it works. Yes. Okay, so I see Arya, Ifa, Ella. Okay, Arya is here except for Anya. That's okay. While waiting for Anya, we can continue again. So in the previous session, we talked about present tense already. So let's continue. Oh, okay. I think Anya has already explained about it. When do we use s and es? Let's jump to Chris. Chris, can you listen to my voice, Chris?
Yes, Kafan.
Yes. Okay, Chris, can you give me one example about present tense? Just one example. You can use any kind of subject you want.
I I am I am
I
taking a nap.
can you say it again?
I am taking a nap.
I
I
am
am
taking a nap. Okay, that's a good sentence, but that's
mhm.
not present tense. Okay, I am taking a nap. What tenses is this? This is actually not present tense. I'm taking a nap. I'm taking a nap. Okay, present. Yeah, I think maybe Putri just say present continuous. Okay, so Chris, this is not present tense. That's present continuous. Okay, yeah, yeah. So that's present continuous, which means we are using verb ing, to be and verb ing. Okay. Um, in Bahasa Indonesia, you would say something like sedang. So saya sedang tidur siang. I am taking a nap. Saya sedang minum. I am drinking. Saya sedang belajar. I am studying. Okay, Chris. So something that happens at the moment when we're speaking. Okay, it happens right now. So something that happened at the moment right now, we use present continuous. But we talk about present tense. So it doesn't have to be a specific moment right now. It could be somewhere right now in the present. Like for example, this morning, it could be a few minutes ago, few hours ago, but you can still use present tense. Yeah, so how do you change that sentence, the sentence that Chris made, into present tense? Who can do that? Who can change the sentence that Chris sent or Chris said into present tense sentence?
I am
Okay, Ella,
takes a nap.
say it again.
I am I am takes a nap.
I am take a nap. Okay, anyone else? Others?
I take a nap, Kakak.
Yes, good. I take a nap. So Ella, before you used to be, but before you also stated that this is the formula. So subject plus verb one plus object. There's no to be here. So why do you use I am? Be careful, Ella. So I take a nap, not I am take a nap. Okay, Ella, can you get it? So,
Yes, Kakak Fani.
yes, good, very good. Okay, let's jump in again. Ifa, give me one example, Ifa.
One example. Tadi apa kakak?
Example for present tense. This is the formula. You can see it over here. Formula. Oh, by the way, there for the written test, there could also be some options like some numbers that I ask you to choose the options, but there are also some numbers where I ask you to write. Okay, so not only choose, but you also have to write. Yeah. So Ifa, let's continue again.
Um, we go to a gallery every Sundays.
We go to old gallery every Sundays. Okay, yep, that's good. You also use the adverb of time, every Sunday. Yeah, good, very good. Okay, now I have a next question. If I write it like this, do you think the sentence over here, this one that I just write, do you think it's correct or not? And why? Give me the reason as well.
It it's wrong because the apa? Tomorrow is for oh gimana itu untuk apa?
Mhm.
Future tense.
Yes, yeah, good, very good. Yeah. Great job. Okay. So if there's a question like which one is the correct present tense sentence, and then you have like I take a nap tomorrow, I take a nap yesterday, and then I take a nap every day. Which one is correct? So I take a nap tomorrow, every day, or yesterday?
Every day.
Every day. Yeah.
Every
Exactly.
day.
Every day. Yeah.
Every day kakak.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, good. So you also have to pay attention on the adverb of time, okay? Because sometimes it could also trick you. Like, okay, you see the sentence, the main sentence over here. It's correct. I take a nap. It's correct. Like grammarly, from the formula as well, it's correct. But after that, when you see the time, the like, what is it? The adverb of time, like tomorrow, then you realize, oh no, this sentence, there's something wrong with the sentence. So yeah, tomorrow is wrong. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let's continue again with the negative and the interrogative sentence. Okay. Let's use the same sentence. I take a nap. I take a nap. Okay. How do you change that into negative sentence?
I don't take a nap.
Don't take a nap. Yes. And then for interrogative sentence.
Do I take a nap?
Yeah. Good. Do I take a nap? Okay. Good. So be careful on this one because don't could also be very tricky because what is it? It also depends on the subject. Okay, so if I change the subject into, for example, like lala, lala, and then the verb should also be changed, takes, and then we still change it into lala, and this one should be changed into
Doesn't.
doesn't yet. Oh, by the way, yeah, the what is it? The question that I have in the last session about what is personal pronoun, right? Kata ganti orang. I forgot to say that before. Kata ganti orang. So you could understand it like this: the simplest way for you to understand. Like Lala, Lala, it's a name of a person, right? It's the name of a person. So instead of saying Lala, we could also say she,
E.
right? Yeah, so that's what you mean by kata ganti orang. Like for example, I could have just say Fano. That's my name, but to make it more clear, the person that talking right now is Fano, yes, but I can also say I. Okay, so that's what I mean by
Your
like kata ganti orang. I could say like he. I'm sorry. I could say Chris. Okay, and Chris, if we want to change it into, or if you want to use it in the personal pronoun, then it would be he. Yeah, so instead of saying Chris to kemarin to pergi blah 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 blah, you could just say dia to kemarin blah 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 blah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyway, that's personal pronoun. Let's leave it. We already done with that. let's continue again. So this one, if it's Lala, then should be does Lala. Okay. Should we add S here? What do you think? Should we add S there? Lala
No,
doesn't
Kakak.
take an M. Yes, no. Why no, Anya? Can you tell me why no?
Because because in there
Mhm.
sudah pakai das Kakak. Jadi yang perlu
Yes,
tambah di take.
the take. Yes, good. Great job. Okay, so does and doesn't already have that one. Good. Great job. Okay. Now I think I'm gonna also make the question like this. So it looks simple, but it could be very tricky. Okay. For example, there's a small dialogue. Uh, blah 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 blah. Oops. Wait. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Can you fill in the blank parts? The blah 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 part. So this one and this one. Can anyone do that? So this is still present tense. Okay, it's still related with present tense. Blah 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 blah. They swim in the morning. No, they blah blah blah.
Hmm.
Putri, say it again.
I just sleep this morning and the bee is no, there is not. Like this? Oh, is it no?
I cannot listen to your voice, Putri. Can you say it again? I heard some you say something like R. I think. Did you say R?
Yes, yes, yes.
R. Okay. So are they swim? Are they swim? No, they. This part, Putri.
No, there is not. It's not.
They not like this. Like this one, Putri. They not. Okay, I don't really listen to Putri's voice. Yeah, there's just too much
No,
distortion.
no, they are not. They not.
I cannot listen to your
Okay.
voice, Putri. I cannot listen. Seriously, I only listen to the word not. You just say the word not. Maybe you can type it down. Maybe you can just type it down. Okay, for others, do you have different answer or do you agree with Putri? Or maybe you have, oh, are not. Okay, they are not. So this is Putri's answer. What about others? No, they are not. Okay, yes. Okay, so what about others? Do you want to say something about the sentence? Do you want to say something about Putri's answer? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Why? Why not? Why yes? Ella, Ifa, Chris, Arya, Anya? Okay, this one's right.
I disagree with Putri
Why?
answer
Okay, why?
because in my opinion, reuse
Yes.
R is for apa? For sentence yang tidak ada verb.
Okay, yes.
Sedangkan in here there is a verb swim. So maybe do they swim this morning? No, they don't.
Yes. Yeah, good. Very good, Ella. Yeah, so do they swim this morning? Not are they swim this morning? And the negative one, we should also use do. So no, they don't, or no, they do not. It's the same. Very good. Great job. Okay. Great job, Ella. Okay, Putri, don't forget. Everyone also don't forget. So we always use do when there's a verb. Okay. If there is no verb, then we use are, or we use to be, basically. Okay, good. One more example. Let me take it down. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Can I have Arya to answer the question? A blah 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 blah.
Yes,
Kiki
Kakak.
sing at school, and yes, she blah 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 blah. Oh no, Kiki is a boy. Sorry. Oh, it depends.
A.
There's a girl named Kiki as well. So
Does Kiki?
that's Kiki. Okay.
Oke, Kakak. Does Kiki sing at school? B. Yes, she does.
Yes, she does. Great job. Okay. Okay. So if you now you I think maybe now you can see the pattern, right? So if it's no, then we have to use the negative form. So do not or don't. No, they don't. But if it's yes, then we have to use the positive form. She does, not she doesn't. Okay, because sometimes people get
Yes,
confused
Kakak.
between yeah, because sometimes people got confused between yes she doesn't or yes she does. So this one is correct. Okay, if it's yes, then use positive. If it's no, then use negative. Great. Okay, one more example. Hmm, okay, let's make it tricky this time. Okay, let's have Chris. Chris, what's the answer, Chris? What do you think?
Um, wait,
Hmm.
the birds. Do the birds fly in the sky? No, the birds don't.
Great job. Okay. Why do you use do, Chris? Why not does?
There is a plural ampersnya lebih dari satu jadinya
Yes. Okay. Hmm.
besar.
Yes. Great job. Okay. Before over here when I want to make the part B, I want to use they, but then I think maybe they will find it out. So let's just write the birds again. So no, they don't. That's correct. But you can also say no, the birds don't. That's also correct. Okay. Great job. Uh, one another example. Okay, this one. Ifa. Can you try to answer this one?
Yes. Does she my old English teacher? No, she doesn't.
No, she doesn't.
I think
Okay.
yes.
Why do you use does, Ifa? Why do you use does, Ifa?
Mm, Because kalau misalkan she itu kan pakai does. No,
Okay.
no, no, wait. Wait,
Okay.
kakak no.
Yeah, it's okay. Give you time. For everyone as well. Try to do this one, okay? Part A and part B for this one. Yeah. Save your answer first. If I ask you what is your answer, then you can tell me, okay? But I want to listen first from Ifa. Blah 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 blah. My old English teacher. No, she. Blah 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 blah.
Hmm, is she my old English teacher? No, she is.
No, she is.
Yes.
No, she is. Like this. Okay. My next
Yes.
question for you, Ifa. Why do we use is? Why do you use is?
Isn't?
Isn't.
No, no,
Is.
isn't, Kakak.
Isn't.
Yes.
Okay, isn't. Mhm. Yes.
Yes.
My next question would be why is, Ifa? Why not does? You answered does before. Why do you
Hmm,
suddenly change your mind into does?
karena
Into yes,
untuk
I mean. Mhm.
yang kata ganti orang ketiga yang tadi apa? Hmm, iya kata ganti orang ketiga ya kak. Nah itu
Mhm,
harus
yes.
pakai is. Terus karena
Okay.
di situ nggak ada verb.
Ah, yes. Yeah, that's the answer that I want because there is no verb. Ah, so this whole time we've been doing do, don't, does, doesn't. Yeah. And still, I want to test you again if you still can differentiate the sentence that have verb or the sentence that didn't have verbs. Yeah, so in this case, there is no verb. So that's why we have to use to be. Okay. Okay. Good. Does anyone still have questions about this one? About the use for do and the use for does, the use for to be as well. If you still have any questions about this, please let me know. Okay? Yep. Oh, okay, Arya. Yeah, that's okay, Arya. Okay. So let me make one more example. Okay. Can I have Anya to answer this one?
Okay, Kakak. Are Coco and Kiki best friends? Yes, they are.
Okay. Good. Are Coco and Kiki best friends? Yes, they are. Why do you use are, Anya?
Because
Mm-hmm.
di situ kan sing ada kata kerja and Coco and Kiki is they, so uh, harus pakai are Kakak.
Harus pakai are. Good. Yep. Great job, Anya. Okay. Okay, good everyone. Wow, I think you can understand this very well. So just remember third person singular, that's the special one for verbs. And then also pay attention on the sentence that has verb and the sentence that doesn't have has verb. Okay. That's very good. Nominal and verbal sentence. Yeah, we call it that. Okay, good. Does anyone still have questions about present tense? Any questions so far before we continue with the other tenses? What was the next tenses? Let me check. Present tense. Oh, past tense. Okay. Does anyone still have questions about this one? Putri, Ifa, Ella, Chris, Anya? Do you have questions about this one so far, or do you understand?
No.
Yeah.
Kalau
Okay. Okay. Good. So I think maybe you can understand about this one. Great job, everyone. Wow. Wow. I didn't know that you can understand it so fast, and yeah, that's okay then. Let's hope that you got 100 for your mid test. I hope so. Okay. Who's optimist that they will get 100 for their mid test? Ifa, what do you think, Ifa? Can you get 100 for your mid test? Can you get 100 for your mid test?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
kalau misalkan Tuhan sayang, semoga.
Okay. So if you don't get 100, berarti Tuhan sing sayang.
No, no, itu.
Okay, okay. Chris, can you get 100? Are you optimist that you can get 100? The questions are so easy, so I think maybe you can.
Maybe. Yes.
Maybe. Okay, so it could be maybe yes, maybe no. Ella, what about you, Ella? Are you confident enough that you can get
Yes.
100? Yes. Okay, good. I like
Ya.
the confidence.
Belum, belum, emang belum jawab.
Uh, oh, not yet.
I don't think.
I thought
Yes,
you.
I
I
don't
thought the
think
first
so.
yes. I thought the first yes. You say that yes. I don't know. Okay. You don't think so? Why?
No,
Why
I
not?
answered.
Why not? Why do you say you don't think? I don't think so.
Ya,
Hmm. Okay. So for everyone, um, just try to be optimist. Okay, I know some of the materials could be very difficult, could be very challenging, but I know the like the learning process, I see that most of you can understand it, most of you can get the points and stuff. So I think this one's going to be very easy for you. Yeah, maybe you get 100 as well. Mm, okay, so oh yeah, by the way, don't forget we also have speaking tests. Okay, so not only written tests but also speaking tests. Yeah, for speaking test, it's going to be very easy. Yeah, Putri, do you want to say something?
No, that is my brother.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's your brother. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, good. Okay, we still have time, right? Check. Yeah, we do. Okay, now let's continue talking about past tense. Okay, the third material so far we study past tense. Now, again, the same question for all of you. What is past tense? When do we use past tense? And what's the formula of past tense? I'll give time for everyone to think and then let me know if you already have the answer. Okay. Tell me first what is past tense? What's the formula of past tense and when do we use it? Okay. If you're done or if you know the answer, please turn on your audio and then tell me. Okay, I will wait.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Are you outside MCM now? Because I can listen to your voice clearly now. It's better. Are you outside MCM now?
No, I'm in MCM.
Oh, still in MCM. Okay. But this time is so much better. I can listen to your voice clearly now. Okay. Okay. Let's continue again. Putri, do you know what is past tense? What is past tense about? Or maybe you want to talk about formula or example? Up to you.
Present is a tense
Mhm.
to express the past for the
Yes.
past. Like in bahasa Indonesia, present adalah kata-kata yang digunakan untuk mengekspresikan masa lalu, like
Mhm.
that.
Yes. Correct. Very good, Putri. Yes. Mhm.
Is it?
Yeah, that's correct. So we do use past tense to explain about past events. So something happened yesterday, last week, last month, last year, like yeah, like long time ago. Then we use past tense. Very good, Putri. Okay, Anya, do you know the formula, Anya? What's the formula of past tense?
Subject plus
Yes.
verb to
Yes.
um, plus complement.
Yes. Plus object of or complement. Yep. Great job. Okay, very good, Anya. Um, Aria is not here. Okay, Ifa, give me one example. Give me one example of past
Ya,
tense.
kenapa?
Can you give me one example of past tense?
Hmm,
Oh, no, this is hurting.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, wait.
Okay.
We did a lot of shopping at the shopping mall.
Can you say it again?
We did a lot.
Oh, we did. Okay.
Apa sih?
We did a lot. Something something shopping mall.
We- Yes, we did a lot of shopping at the shopping mall.
Oh, okay. She did a lot of shopping at the shopping mall. Okay. Okay, that's good. Chris, can you give me another example? So if I use the verb to from do, so do is verb one, and then did is the past tense form or verb two. Yeah, Chris.
Uh,
Mhm.
she read a book yesterday.
Yes, good. She read a book yesterday. Very good. Okay. Ella, change the sentence into negative sentence. Change the sentence that Chris just made into negative sentence.
Can Chris repeat the sentence?
Mhm.
She read a book yesterday.
Oh, she read a book yesterday. She didn't read a book yesterday.
Good. Okay. Anya, change the sentence into interrogative sentence. Anya, are you there? Or was it the
Yes,
connection?
Kakak. What the
Okay.
sentence
Yeah.
actually?
Chris, can you repeat the sentence again?
She read a book yesterday.
Mhm. Change that into interrogative or question sentence.
Oke, Kakak. Did did she
Mhm.
read a book yesterday?
Yes. Good. Very good. Okay. Great job. Okay. I think I'm gonna make the same question as I did before for present tense. So let me try this. Okay. It's going to be very tricky as well. Okay. Oh no, I cannot share screen. I have 5 minutes. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, that one. So you have to fill in the blank part or the missing part. Blah 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 blah. She our teacher last year. Okay, there's a question mark, which means this is a question. Who can answer that question? Can anyone answer it? Blah blah blah. She our teacher last year. Ella, can you answer that?
I know. Was he our teacher last year?
Great. Okay. Yeah. The answer is was. Can you explain to us, Ella, why was? Why not did?
Because there's no verb. It
There's
seems
no
like
verb.
he and are like like
Mm.
like
Like,
but it's past tense. So
yeah.
what?
hmm
Yeah.
Yeah. Was is the to be for the subject I, he, she, it. So this time is for singular only. So he, she, it is singular as well as I is singular. Yeah. So I was, she was, he was, it was, and they. What's the past tense to be for they, you, we? Does anyone know? What is the past tense form for that?
Where
Where? Yeah, good, Chris. Very good. Okay, so don't forget that in past tense sentences, we also have nominal and verbal, the same with present tense that we just talked about. Okay, so don't forget was and where. So not all questions we use did or do. Okay, yeah. So if the question was she our teacher last year, and then I say yes, she was. Or if I say no, then it's supposed to be no, she wasn't. Okay. What about this one? That one. Blah blah blah. They break the glass. No, they blah blah blah. Anyone? Um, let's let's ask Chris. Chris, can you answer that one, Chris? Blah blah blah. They break the glass. No, they
Yes.
blah blah blah. Yeah, just try. That's okay.
Did they break the glass? No, they didn't.
Yeah, good. Great job. Okay, very good, Chris. Okay, so I think maybe for past tense, we're just gonna end it up until here. Next meeting would be on Wednesday, and that would be our last time for review the materials because we still have two more, which are oh no, one more because we study about past tense. Okay, maybe in the next meeting we will talk more about past tense. We will do some exercise for that, and then we continue with our last material, which is about present perfect, the one that we studied last meeting. Okay, good. So far, anyone, do you have any questions or do you understand so far? Can everyone understand so far about our review materials? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, good. So I hope you study again this time. So not only when we are going to have tests, but start from now, you can have your review or you can study for review, okay? So thank you everyone for joining today's class. Thank you for joining the class. Now we see each other again on Wednesday, okay? So goodbye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.